In a traditional way, we ask the children to do addition and subtraction by drawing lines. It takes much time. They can solve the same mathematical problems within seconds using finger abacus. How is it possible? Let me show it. Our right hand is ones place or first rod. These four fingers are lower bits. Thumb finger is upper bit. Each of these four fingers is 1, so total 4. Value of thumb finger is 5. 5 and 4, 9. In your right hand, there is 9, and in your left hand, these four fingers are lower bits. Value of each finger is 10, total 40. And thumb finger is upper bit. Value of this thumb finger is 50. 50 and 40, 90. 90 and 9. In your two hands, value of 10 fingers is 99. Now we will do some simple addition and subtraction using our fingers. Now our hand is in 0 position. 2 plus 2 plus 5. Total 9. 3 minus 2 plus 6. 5 and 1. 6. Total 5 and 2. 7. 6. 5 and 1. 6 plus 3 minus 4. The answer is 5. 11, 10 and 1. 11 plus 15, 10 and 5. Minus 10. The answer is 10 and 6. 16. 34, 34 minus 22. 22 plus 51. 50 and 1. The answer is 50 and 10, 60 and 3. 63. 66. 50 and 10, 60, 5 and 1, 6. 66 plus 13, 10 and 3. 13 minus 23, 23. The answer is 50 and 6, 56. 79. 50, 60, 70, 9 minus 25, 25 plus 40, plus 40. The answer is 50 and 40, 90 and 4, 94. Teach the children to do addition and subtraction this way. They will really enjoy it and will love to do it. Thank you. We are coming back soon with a new lesson.